Welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications regarding the updated videos. Today we are going to discuss about model question paper 10. There are 100 questions in this session. First question: the volatile oil in coffee responsible for its aroma is caffeine, theobromine, trigonelline, caffestrol. Your answer is option C, trigonelline. Second question: compared to coffee, tea generally contains more caffeine, less caffeine, no caffeine, equal caffeine. Your answer is option B, less caffeine. Third question: the primary preservative used in traditional pickle making is vinegar, sugar, oil, salt. Your answer is option D, salt. Fourth question: chutneys are preserved mainly by refrigeration, acidic pH and sugar content, freezing, fermentation. Your answer is option B, acidic pH and sugar content. Fifth question: the key ingredient that enhances the shelf life of tomato sauce is artificial colors, acetic acid, protein concentrates, baking soda. Your answer is option B, acetic acid. Sixth question: spices are commonly preserved by freeze drying, irradiation, smoking, salting. Your answer is option B, irradiation. Seventh question: the primary ingredient required to set a jam is sugar, pectin, citric acid, vinegar. Your answer is option B, pectin. Eighth question: the clarity of jelly depends on the absence of excess pectin, excess sugar, fiber particles, preservatives. Your answer is option C, fiber particles. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact to these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. Ninth question: marmalade differs from jam as it includes whole fruit pieces, citrus fruit peels, additional vinegar, added spices. Your answer is option B, citrus fruit peels. 10th question: malted milk powder in health drinks is produced by spray drying, freeze drying, fermentation, pasteurization. Your answer is option A, spray drying. 11th question: restructured food products often include sugar and preservatives, binding agents like pectin, added oils, enzymes for softening. Your answer is option B, binding agents like pectin. 12th question: restructured vegetable products are made by pressing and shaping vegetable pulp, fermenting vegetable pieces, freezing vegetables rapidly, frying vegetable pieces. Your answer is option A, pressing and shaping vegetable pulp. 13th question: to prevent enzymatic browning in cut fruits, one commonly uses ascorbic acid, sodium chloride, baking powder, vinegar. Your answer is option A, ascorbic acid. 14th question: minimally processed fruits and vegetables are preserved by refrigeration and modified atmospheric packaging, deep freezing, fermentation, drying. Your answer is option A, refrigeration and modified atmosphere packaging. 15th question: in pickle making, the purpose of adding vinegar is to enhance color, lower pH and prevent microbial growth, add sweetness, harden the texture. Your answer is option B, lower pH and prevent microbial growth. 16th question: fruit chutneys often include spices to mask bitterness, improve texture, increase acidity, enhance preservation. Your answer is option D, enhance preservation. 17th question: the primary role of sterilization in microbiology is to destroy all microorganisms and spores, kill only pathogenic bacteria, reduce microbial load to a safe level, eliminate nutrients from the medium. Your answer is option destroy all microorganisms and spores. 18th question: the gelling property in jelly depends primarily on the balance of pectin, sugar and acid, absence of water, addition of coloring agents, fermentation process. Your answer is A, balance of pectin, sugar and acid. 19th question: citrus marmalade primarily uses which fruit peel? Apple, orange, mango, grapes. Your answer is option orange. Food Safety Officer book is available with thousands of MCQs from all sections. You can contact to these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. Question number 20. Oil in pickles helps to seal out oxygen and prevent spoilage, increase acidity, enhance fermentation, add sweetness. Your answer is option A. Seal out oxygen and prevent spoilage. 21. The primary carbohydrate found in milk is sucrose, lactose, glucose, maltose. Your answer is option B. Lactose. 22. The pH of fresh cow's milk typically ranges from 4.6 to 4.8, 6.6 to 6.8, 7.2 to 7.58 to 8.2. Your answer is option B, 6.6 to 6.8. The pH of cow's milk typically ranges from 6.4 to 6.8, with freshly obtained milk falling between 6.5 and 6.7. 23. The bacteria most commonly found in raw milk are lactic acid bacteria, thermophilic bacteria, sulfate reducing bacteria, acidophilic bacteria. Your answer is option A, lactic acid bacteria. 24. The optimal temperature for storing milk during transportation is 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Your answer is option A, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. 25. The most common material used for milk packaging is glass bottles, high density polythene, paper bags, aluminum foil. Your answer is option B, high density polythene material. Milk jugs are mainly made of HDPE plastic. This material is chosen because it can provide strength and resistance to impact while it transports. HDPE is also non-reactive. It means that it doesn't react with the milk inside, so the product remains fresh and safe for consumption. 26. The presence of water in milk can be detected by testing its freezing point, fat content, protein level, pH value. Your answer is option A, freezing point. The additional water content of milk can be determined easily using a freezing point osmometer. Milk samples that contain additional water have a significantly decreased osmolarity corresponding to an increased freezing point. 27. Homogenized milk has a longer shelf life because microorganisms are killed. Fat globules do not separate. Protein denaturation occurs. Calcium content is increased. Your answer is option B. Fat globules do not separate. The homogenization process emulsifies fat globules suspended in the milk so that packaged product keeps its taste, stability, and texture for longer. The more effective the homogenization process, longer the milk will remain stable and keep its commercial value. 28. The phosphatase test is used to check the effectiveness of sterilization, homogenization, pasteurization, standardization. Your answer is option C, pasteurization. 29. Which microorganism is a common cause of milk spoilage? E. coli, Pseudomonas, Lactobacillus, Salmonella. Your answer is option B, Pseudomonas. 30th question. A key advantage of Tetra Pak milk packaging is improved taste, extended shelf life due to aseptic conditions, easier transportation, reduced fat content. Your answer is option B, extended shelf life due to aseptic conditions. 31. Milk lipids are present mainly in the form of proteins, globules, free fatty acids, crystals. Your answer is option B, globules. 32. Which of the following is not a type of casein found in milk? Alpha casein, beta casein, kappa casein, omega casein. Your answer is option D, omega casein. In bovine milk, four major casein proteins are present: alpha S1, alpha S2, beta, and kappa casein, and they are self-assembled in colloidal structures with a typical size range of 80 to 400 nanometer in diameter. 33. Sodium caseinate is produced by neutralizing casein with sodium hydroxide, potassium chloride, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid. Your answer is option A, sodium hydroxide. 34. Casein constitutes approximately what percentage of milk protein? 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%. Your answer is option D, 80%. 35. Which product is not typically made using casein? Cheese, milk powder, yogurt, jam. Your answer is option D, jam. 36. Rennet coagulates casein by acting on beta casein, kappa casein, alpha casein, gamma casein. Your answer is option B, kappa casein. Kappa casein serves to maintain the micelles in milk in suspension. The cheese-making protease rennet hydrolyzes a single specific peptide bond in the kappa casein fraction of milk, resulting in destabilization of the milk micelles and coagulation. 37. Casein allergy is most commonly associated with soy milk, cow's milk, goat's milk, almond milk. Your answer is option B, cow's milk. In cow's milk allergy, it is the proteins called casein and whey that usually cause the problem. However, the sugar, lactose in milk can also cause symptoms. 38. Apart from food, casein is widely used in the production of plastics and adhesives, cotton textiles, synthetic dyes, glasswares. Your answer is option A, plastics and adhesives. 39. In infant formulas, casein is added to reduce fat content, improve protein quality, increase carbohydrate levels, add flavor. Your answer is option B, improve protein quality. 40th question. The animal that produces pink milk is yak, donkey, hippopotamus, horse. Your answer is option C, hippopotamus. The animal that produces pink milk is the hippopotamus. The milk of hippopotamus contains a red pigment called hipposudoric acid, which turns the milk pink. When a yak gives birth to a calf, the first milk produced contains blood, which gives it a pink tint and gives it the term bee stings. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact with these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. 41. The primary purpose of maintaining standards in abattoirs is to ensure worker safety, prevent environmental pollution, maintain meat quality and hygiene, reduce processing costs. Your answer is option C, maintain meat quality and hygiene. 42. The layout of an abattoir must follow the principle of linear flow of animals and carcasses, circular flow to save space, random flow to reduce cost, zigzag flow to avoid contamination. Your answer is option A, linear flow of animals and carcasses. 43. In a standard abattoir, the slaughter process begins with cleaning carcasses, stunning the animal, removing internal organs, chilling the meat. Your answer is option B, stunning the animal. 44. During transport, animals must be handled carefully to minimize bruises and injuries, increase their body weight, save transport costs, improve their appearance. Your answer is option A, minimize bruises and injuries. 45. The floors of an abattoir should be rough and absorbent, non-slippery and washable, covered with wood made of carpet material. Your answer is option B, non-slippery and washable. 46. Abattoirs must have a reliable supply of potable water for drinking purposes only, cleaning and maintaining hygiene, storing meat products, destunning animals. Your answer is option B, cleaning and maintaining hygiene. 47. Proper ventilation in abattoirs is essential to ensure a cool environment, reduce microbial contamination, prevent accumulation of toxic gases, improve visibility inside the facility. Your answer is option C, prevent accumulation of toxic gases. 48. Abattoir waste must be disposed of according to local municipal guidelines, national meat quality standards, veterinary doctors' recommendations, size of the abattoir. Your answer is option A, local municipal guidelines. 49. Pre-slaughter inspection ensures that the animal is healthy and fit for slaughter. Meat is stored at the correct temperature. Water is available for washing carcasses. 8. D. The transportation vehicle is clean. Your answer is option A. The animal is healthy and fit for slaughter. 50th question. Inoculation loops are sterilized using a Bunsen burner flame, UV light, ethylene oxide gas, autoclaving. Your answer is option A Bunsen burner flame. 51. Regular cleaning of an abattoir ensures increased production rates, improved meat texture, reduced microbial load, extended animal lifespans. Your answer is option C, reduced microbial load. 52. Abattoirs must have an efficient drainage system to reuse wastewater, prevent water stagnation, reduce cleaning costs, improve animal health. Your answer is option B, prevent water stagnation. 53. Meat should be chilled immediately after slaughter to enhance flavor, inhibit bacterial growth, remove moisture, prevent discoloration. Your answer is option B, inhibit bacterial growth. 54. During transport, poultry should be kept in open trucks, properly ventilated cages, closed containers without airflow, insulated plastic bags. Your answer is option B, properly ventilated cages. 55. Adequate lighting in abattoirs is important for worker safety and inspection of meat, keeping animal calm, reducing power consumption, preventing odor buildup. Your answer is option A, worker safety and inspection of meat. 56. Workers in abattoirs should be provided with rubber boots and gloves, wooden tools, loose fitting clothes, plastic bags for waste handling. Your answer is option A, rubber boots and gloves. 57. Animals should be given rest before slaughter to enhance meat quality, reduce body weight, increase tenderness, improve fat deposition. Your answer is option A, enhance meat quality. 58. Abattoirs must implement pest control measures to keep the facility clean and prevent contamination, increase productivity, improve ventilation systems, manage lighting. Your answer is option A, keep the facility clean and prevent contamination. 59. Post-mortem inspection is conducted to identify any signs of disease in the carcass. B. Ensure the animal was well fed. Clean the slaughter area. Weigh the meat. Your answer is option A. Identify any signs of disease in the carcass. 60. Who is the Minister of Kerala Niyamasabha for the portfolio Animal Husbandry and Dairy Development? Sri M.B. Rajesh, Srimati J. Chinchurani, Sri K.B. Ganesh Kumar, Sri P. Rajiv. Your answer is option B. Srimati J. Chinchurani. 61. The primary function of carbohydrates in the human body is to build muscles, provide energy, repair tissues, enhance digestion. Your answer is option B, provide energy. 62. Proteins are primarily composed of fatty acids, nucleotides, amino acids, monosaccharides. Your answer is option C, amino acids. 63. Dietary fiber is mainly found in meat products, refined sugar, whole grains, cooking oil. Your answer is option C, whole grains. 64. Calcium is vital for improving vision, strengthening bones and teeth, boosting immunity, enhancing metabolism. Your answer is option B, strengthening bones and teeth. 65. The simplest form of carbohydrate is polysaccharide, disaccharide, monosaccharide, cellulose. Your answer is option C, monosaccharide. 66. Fats are a rich source of vitamins, proteins, energy, minerals. Your answer is option C, energy. 67. Insoluble fiber helps in lowering blood cholesterol, preventing constipation, increasing energy, building muscles. Your answer is option B, preventing constipation. 68. Iron is an essential mineral for the production of insulin, hemoglobin, enzymes, calcium. Your answer is option B, hemoglobin. 69. Glycogen is stored primarily in the kidneys, liver and muscles, stomach, skin. Your answer is option B, liver and muscles. 70. Which of the following is complete protein? Rice, corn, soybean, potato. Your answer is option C, soybean. 71. Soluble fiber can help reduce bone density, blood cholesterol levels, protein absorption, insulin production. Your answer is option B, blood cholesterol levels. Because it is not absorbed in the intestine, soluble fiber can bind cholesterol in the intestine and remove it from the body. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link is available in the description. You can directly purchase through the Amazon link. 72. Which of the following is a disaccharide? Fructose, maltose, starch, cellulose. Your answer is option B, maltose. Maltose is a disaccharide that consists of two glucose units linked together by an alpha-1,4 glycosidic bond. 73. Protein denaturation occurs due to freezing, heating or changes in pH, adding sugar, dehydration. Your answer is option B, heating or changes in pH. 74. Fiber intake is recommended to increase fat levels, improve digestive health, build bone mass, prevent protein deficiency. Your answer is option B, improve digestive health. 75. Vitamin D can be synthesized in the body when exposed to infrared rays, UV rays, visible light, heat. Your answer is option B, UV light. During exposure to sunlight, the UVB photons enter the skin and photolyze 7-dehydrocholesterol to pre-vitamin D3, which in turn is isomerized by the body's temperature to form vitamin D3. 76. Zinc is important for vision health, wound healing and immunity, blood clotting, energy production. Your answer is option B, wound healing and immunity. 77. Cellulose, a carbohydrate, is a major component of fruits, plant cell walls, animal tissues, oils. Your answer is option B, plant cell walls. 78. Which of the following is a characteristics of trans fats found in natural oils? Raises LDL cholesterol levels, contains no fatty acids, improves insulin sensitivity. Your answer is option B, raises LDL cholesterol levels. Trans fats increase LDL cholesterol and decrease HDL cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. 79. Collagen is a type of protein found in blood plasma, connective tissues, plant cell walls, digestive enzymes. Your answer is option B, connective tissues. 80. Magnesium plays a key role in oxygen transport, bone and muscle function, vision improvement, blood clotting. Your answer is option B, bone and muscle function. 81. The resolving power of a microscope depends on the type of culture medium, numerical aperture and wavelength, speed of centrifugation, magnification power of the objective lenses. Your answer is option B, numerical aperture and wavelength of light. 82. Dark field microscopy is best suited for observing living unstained microorganisms, thick sections of tissue, organisms with bright pigments, gram-stained bacteria. Your answer is option A, living unstained microorganisms. 83. Electron microscopy is used primarily to observe intracellular organelles and viruses, gram-stained bacteria, fungi under high magnification, simple wet mount preparations. Your answer is option A, intracellular organelles and viruses. 84. The primary stain used in gram staining is crystal violet, Indian ink, saffron, malachite green. Your answer is option A, crystal violet. 85. Negative staining is typically used to visualize bacterial capsules, gram-negative bacteria, spore-forming bacteria, protein structures. Your answer is option A, bacterial capsules. 86. Methylene blue is a commonly used stain in acid-fast staining, symbol staining, endospore staining, gram staining. Your answer is option B, symbol staining. 87. Pure culture techniques are used to isolate single type of microorganism, identify mixed bacterial populations, C. Culture fungi exclusively, D. Sterilize media. Your answer is option A, isolate a single type of microorganisms. 88. The streak plate method is used to enriching anaerobic cultures, measuring microbial motility, determining bacterial growth rate, isolating pure colonies. The answer is option D, isolating pure colonies. 89. The pour plate technique is mainly used for counting viable microorganisms, measuring bacterial motility, identifying microbial toxins, testing antibiotics. Your answer is option A, counting viable microorganisms. 90. Broth cultures are used to grow microorganisms in a liquid medium, separate bacterial spores, isolate anaerobic organisms, test for bacterial pigments. Your answer is option A, grow microorganisms in a liquid medium. 91. Enrichment culture techniques are employed to identify gram-positive bacteria, reduce microbial contamination, selectively enhance the growth of specific microorganisms, detect bacterial motility. Your answer is option C, selectively enhance the growth of specific microorganisms. 92. Which of the following is a chemical sterilization agent? A. UV radiation, B. Ethylene oxide, C. Autoclave steam, D. Infrared heating. Your answer is option B, ethylene oxide. 92. Dry heat sterilization is typically used for surgical instruments, heat sensitive liquids, plastic containers, glasswares. Your answer is option D, glasswares. 94. Filtration sterilization is ideal for sterilizing heat sensitive liquids, killing bacterial spores, sterilizing surgical tools, inactivating viruses. Your answer is option A, sterilizing heat sensitive liquids. 95. A culture medium that distinguishes different types of bacteria based on visible differences is called differential medium, enriched medium, selective medium, minimal medium. Your answer is option A, differential medium. 96. Which of the following is an example of a selective medium? Blood agar, nutrient agar, McConkie agar, Savarot dextrose agar. Your answer is option C, McConkie agar. 97. Nutrient agar is a type of general purpose medium, selective medium, minimal medium, enrichment medium. Your answer is option A, general purpose medium. 98. McConkie agar differentiates bacteria based on their ability to ferment lactose, their motility, their gram reaction, their spore formation. Your answer is option A, their ability to ferment lactose. Question number 99. Agar is primarily derived from seaweed, fungi, animal tissues, synthetic chemicals. Your answer is option A, seaweeds. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. Contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. Last question of the session. Question number 100. The primary function of peptones in culture media is to A. Provide nitrogen and growth factors. B. Act as a carbohydrate source. C. Maintain pH stability. D. Inhibit microbial growth. Your answer is A. Provide nitrogen and growth factors. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notification.